this video we will see how to loop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's see. So this is the clip that we want to loop. So select the clip and copy this clip or hold the Alt key and drop here. So now we have a two clip, first and second. The second clip you have to right click and speed/duration. Then reverse speed. Okay. So let's check. Now you can see the one loop we made. Let's select all the two clips and copy and paste multiple times. Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. So 4 times we have added. Let me play and see. So it's nice video looping in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.